This will extend all the way down to about there. It's coming along. Victor. Not sure you're coming today, but I just wanted to point out that rock should go that way, and this rock needs to go that way if you're using the excavator today, and this rock over here. So I'm approximately in the middle of the easement, so that hole you're going to dig for the tube right about here, and then I guess what, 80 inches over to the post, which this easement will swing in, and this easement will swing in, like swing in here, and another rock next to that post, a big rock. I hope that makes sense to you. I'm not sure you're coming today, but Graham is coming to get his excavator tomorrow morning, so I know you can't move these rocks without that. Thank you. And this is looking awesome, but if you do come to deal with the excavator, take that big rock there and move it right over there, right at the corner, which is right here at the corner. I kind of marked it, tried to mark it on that blue with the blue ink. So there was some guys fishing in the river. We asked them to get some of the trash from the opposite side, and they did. He's very happy to see this done. So he's going to kind of throw it up on our property, and we will dispose of it. Here, he's bringing it up. How awesome is that?
You want it just right here?
That's perfect. Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Enjoy. Good luck. So I took these sockets, hooked all the power up to them, and then screwed them into these little pieces here, which I will paint black, and glued them inside, right in the center, inside of these cases. The other one looks identical to it. And it's just two simple wires coming out of it that'll hook into the wires that are coming up from those two towers. Those will be raised up on these two platforms, and I'll have room to hide the connections either in that hole or underneath there, which is hollow. 2 by 10s.